Alright, I'm gonna see how this new trolling motor does on this topwater PDL 120 Old Town. First time trying it, Lake James. On speed 1 right now. Let's see how fast we can go. Looks like about 165 miles per hour in a crosswind. Brother over here done caught him a bass. Alright, back to business here. I'm on 1. I'm gonna try 2 out and see what it'll do. Speed picked up to about 174. Like that, I'm in a crosswind right there. Looks like about 177 the crosswind's gonna be at on 2. I'm gonna go up to speed number 3. Looks about like maybe 2.15 miles per hour on speed 3. Don't have much water coming in. Try out speed 4. It's like about 260 where it's topping out right there in this crosswind. There's 5. Looks to me about a little over 3.5 miles per hour, 3.60 the best I've seen right there. Alright, slow her down. One thing I like about this setup, you can actually turn the motor and drive too. I'm gonna see how that does. Oh yes, turn this thing sideways. So I can actually steer it without the rudder. Turns pretty good. If I wanted to steer it and the rudder, let's see what it'll do. Oh yeah, she'll turn pretty quick. Alright, I'm powering it off a regular 12-volt deep cycle battery. I got it back here behind me in the box here. Alright, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go fishing.